Students, Assalamu alaikum. D2 Maths, Unit number 1, Exercise number 1A. As in our last lecture, we have done till question number 8. So today's turn of question number 9. As question number 9 is given, for each of the following, y is directly proportional to x. Copy and complete the tables. Students, they have given us a table. Here x values are given and y values are given. Few x values are missed and few y values are missed. We have to find these missed values by using the value of x and k. So first of all, we should find the value of k. How we can find the value of k, as they have given us the proportion is direct between x and y. They have given us, as in previous questions we have also done, what is directly proportional and what is inversely proportional. Direct proportion, a lot of questions we have done, so it's not tough task to do now. Let's move. They're saying y is directly proportional to x. Since y is directly proportional to x, they have told us proportional to x. Okay, then y is equal to, or we will first write, okay, y directly proportional to x. Proportionality sign we will remove, and by placing k, where k is sign of proportionality constant, where k is constant. Okay, k is constant here. What to do? We have three terms now, y, k and x. Suppose we are finding y value with the help of x. So we are just having x and we have to find y. So what's about the third value, k? First of all, we have to find the value of k, then we can find the other values. How we can find the value of k wherever we have two values? बेटा अगर तीन terms given हो, उसमें से हमें दो values given हो और थर्ड वन रिक्वायर्ड टू फाइंड हो, तो फिर हम वो रिक्वायर्ड टू फाइंड थर्ड वन फाइंड कर सकते हैं. अगर तीन टर्म्स गिवन है और उसमें से हमें कोई एक वैल्यू जो है वो गिवन है, और हम वो दो को कैसे फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं? हाउ इज़ इट पॉसिबल? सो टू वैल्यूज़ वी विल चेक दैट वेयर टू वैल्यूज़ बोथ आर गिवन, मीन्स बोथ एक्स एंड वाई आर गिवन. के फाइंड करने के लिए एक्स और वाई दोनों का होना ज़रूरी है. दैट इज़ नेसेसरी टू हैव. So here just x is there, y is not there, x is there, y is not there, x is not there, y is there, x is not there, y is there. In this block both values are given, so we will use these both x and y values to find the value of k. So placing these values, which values are there? Y value is 6, k we have to find, so it will be as it is, and x value is 24. We have to find the value of k, so it is multiplied here, it will be divided on the other side. 6 by 24 is equal to k. 6 one times and 6 four times, that will be 1 by 4. It's the value of k. We found k is equal to 1 by 4. K we have found. Now we will check that when x is given, y is not given. X is given, y is not given, both are given. So first of all we will find x value whenever we are having y. When हम पहले x की वैल्यू फाइंड कर लेंगे which are missed. When y is equal to 9, x we have to find in the same general equation, that is y is equal to kx. So y value is, that is equal to 9, What is the value of k? K is equal to 1 by 4. What is x? X we have to find because x is missed. So what to do? It will be cross multiplied as equal sign is between them, and it will be x by 4. We will cross multiply, so x is equal to cross multiply. Okay, x ones are x and 9 fours are 36. We found x is equal to 36, means we have found x is equal to 36. We will write here 36. Now move further. Next is y is equal to, when y is equal to 11. Y is equal to 11, in the same general equation y is equal to kx, that will be 11 is equal to k is 1 by 4 into x. 11 is equal to x by 4 by cross multiplying. By cross multiplying, x is equal to 11 4 times are 44, means we have found x is equal to 44. We will write this value in the given table, and that is y is equal to x is equal to 44. Both missed x values we have found. Now with the same method, come to the y missed values. When x is equal to 4, we have to find y. Same expression we will use, y is equal to kx, placing the values. So what is the value of y? Y value we have to find. So y is equal to, k value is 1 by 4 and x value they have given, that is 4. So both will be cut and y is equal to 1. Y we have found, y is equal to 1. Now come to the second y missed values. How to find when x is equal to x is equal to 20. Y we have to find? Yes, y we have to find. Same expression we will write, placing the values. Y value we have to find, k value is 1 by 4, x is equal to 20, 4 5 times, 5 1 time, y is equal to 5. So here is 5. Okay students, you have solved question number 9, because these were missed values. So missed values you have find by using the values of x and by using the values of y. We have found, we have filled this table as they have given. It's complete the table. These are two parts of the same method. A part I have done for you, so B part you will do by yourself on your register and I will check. Okay, come to the next question.